Hi, my name is Rika Rahayu. Today I want to present my group assignment for data analytic and business intelligence. In my group, I will present part 1, which is construct appropriate graph or charts to compare the relative frequency and cumulative relative frequency in each data set. As we can see, this is a monthly data on the total number of domestic passenger traffic of all airlines. Frequency distribution indicates how many observations fall within some range. To get the relative frequency, we must know the class frequency, and then we need to divide it to the total number of observations. And a cumulative frequency distribution records the number of observations that fall below the upper limit of each class. Observe that the highest total number of domestic passenger traffic is 100,000 until 300,000 for 6 types of airlines. The highest total number for international passenger traffic is below 100,000 for 16 types of airlines.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. I am Nurul Amira binti Talib. Will be explain the part 2, which is calculate and compare measure of central location in each data set. First is the mean. To find the mean, we need to plus the amount of data for each airlines, which is 4570798 until 2925157, and then divide it into the available data class, which is 24. Then we will get the answer for the domestic calculation, which 1113.28.96. To estimate the mean for the international calculation, it's also same as domestic, which is 4713336 until 3200474, needs to plus then divided by 24, and the answer for international mean is 456067.42. So the mean for domestic airline is higher than the international airlines. Second is median. To find the median, we need to set the data from smallest amount to the largest amount. Then we will know what number the middle point is. If the middle point has 2 amount of data, then we need to plus and divide by 2. After that, we will know the answer for domestic median, which is 570799.5. For median international, it's also same as the domestic calculation. It is necessary to arrange from small data to large data, then divide by 2 if there are 2 middle points. If only one, it doesn't need to plus and divide it. So for this answer is 88666. So the median for domestic airlines is higher than the international airlines. Lastly, mode. Domestic and international did not have a mode because no amount of data is repeated.
Hello, my name is Alina Nira. I'm going to explain about part 3, which is calculate percentile and construct box plot in each data set. First, you must sort the data in an ascending order, or it is just like this. Next, after the data is organized, we can start the step to calculate the percentile of each quartile as shown in this slide. After getting all the percentile data, we can start calculating the interquartile range. After getting all the data for the domestic, we can build a box plot for the following data. First, you need to place the mean and max based on the table above and the data for quartile 1 and 3 as calculated, which is his mean is 829 and quartile 1 is 240976.75 and the median is 570799.5 and the quartile 3 is 1628064.5 and the max is 45070,798. Secondly, for international data, the calculation method is still the same as the calculation method for the domestic part, where we calculate the percentile part first and then the interquartile range part, and we'll get the final answer there. Apart from that, for the box plot, the work steps are also the same. You just take the data from the work step in the previous slide and just label in each box plot, where the mean for the international data is 32362, for the quartile 1 is 73461.5, and the median is 88666. Quartile 3 116,778.65, and the max value is 471,3336.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and my name is Dharmawanshah bin Badawi. Today, I would like to present about my topic, which is Part 4, Calculate and Compare Measures of Dispersion in each dataset. First of all, to find the range, we need to know the format of the range, which is the large amount minus the small amount for each data. That is, the range is equal to the maximum value minus the minimum value for domestic and international data. Okay, this is the table that shows sum of modulus both domestic and international. So next, we go to the next step, which is mean absolute deviation. Here we can see the entire domestic data and international data divided into 24 total airlines. The data for domestic is 909795.36, while the result of international data is 63288.23. So next, we turn to variance and standard deviation. So format for the variance is variance as power 2 equals sum of x1 minus x bar power 2 over n minus 1. And the result of the variance calculation for domestic is 1414747499962.48, while the variance calculation result for international is 1215249971198.95. So this is standard deviation. The format for this step is standard deviation S equal to square root of S square, and the result found for domestic is 1189431.59, while for international is 1102629.82. Okay, next, this is coefficient of variation. The step for this formula is simple: CV equal S over X bar, and then the data found for the domestic coefficient of variation is 1.068, while for the international data is 2.418.
Hi guys, my name is Nur Izzaifa binti Idrus. Today I want to present my group assignment 1 of Data Analytic and Business Intelligence. So in this case, I will discuss about part 5, which is calculate and compare measure of association in each dataset. I use the following table align for the calculation, the covariance, and the correlation coefficient for the growth X and value Y funds. Before we going to calculate covariance and correlation, we need to know the X and Y bar, and I already calculate, which is X bar is 1113828.96 and Y bar is 456067.42. So, to get the covariance, we need to minus value of X variable and X bar that I already talked, and multiply value of Y variable minus Y bar and divide 24 minus 1. And the answer will be 1150541491000.0. The next is correlation. The first thing that we do is calculate covariance, right? So, but we already done divide by the standard deviation, but I'm not going to detail because standard deviation already be explained on part 4, and the answer for the coefficient is 0.88. That's all from us. Thank you for watching, guys.